Now, as we just mentioned, today's big issue is the green light to rapidly expand the vaccine to more groups. This afternoon, public health officials laid out additional details on how that will work. NBC4's Patrick Healy is working to sort it all out for us. He has details.
Big steps to expand COVID vaccination. A mega center opening at Dodger Stadium day after tomorrow. But LA County Public Health this afternoon acknowledged it is not yet far enough along to begin vaccinating seniors 65 plus, as the federal government is urging and as Governor Newsom today green-lighted.
I know I'm not the only county that would love to move forward more quickly, but we do need to have a lot more vaccine and be able to distribute it primarily through the provider networks.
She said for now, LA County remains focused on finishing up with top priority health care workers, an estimated 700,000 to 800,000, before opening up eligibility, which she hopes can happen before the end of the month.
What I can say is that what we are hopeful for is that by next week, we'll be able to enroll many more providers and many more pharmacies so that they can start in advance booking those appointments.
Outside LA County, mega vaccination sites in San Diego and at Disneyland are already in operation, with more promised. There will also be great reliance on pharmacies, especially the big chains Walgreens and CVS, which have had responsibility for vaccinations in most long-term care facilities. CVS says nationwide it can give up to 25 million doses a month. Remember, 2 required for immunization. During a noon phone conference with chain drugstores, we asked about the ramp-up.
As to the general population, the very large population of over 65 and those with the highest risk, really at the end of the day, again, the constraint is going to be supply of the vaccine.
But at this point, the pace of vaccination is actually playing catch-up with available supply. So who is eligible for vaccination and when? Governor Newsom today promised that starting next week, you will be able to go online and sign up to be notified. Now, Dr. Ferrer today spoke of the urgency of speeding up the process so that more will have immunity as these emerging, more contagious strains of COVID are becoming more prevalent. Now, the spread of COVID, the hospitalization rate, those are several days into a stabilized plateau, but the level is unsustainable. Authorities say COVID spread has to be brought down, not only to ease the strain on hospitals, but also to reduce the staggering number of COVID deaths, nearly 600 in California the past day alone. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News. Chuck and Colleen.